How's it going, everybody? Today I'm going to be showing you a glitch, but we'll call it a feature. How about that? Of Fallout 4 and how to get Dogmeat to carry more stuff. So as you can see, 5mm ammo is some of the lightest, or one of the lightest items in the game. He can take no more. However, if we take this aluminum back, let's see if we can fit the bandana on him. I have not seen anybody on YouTube show anybody this, so that is why I am touching on it today. So it says Dogmeat can't carry anymore. However, I think we're at like 216 weight. Let's go over to our junk. We'll just spam that. And we'll see how much more we can give him. So it's not infinity, unfortunately, but it is quite a bit. So it might be 100 pounds or 90 pounds or so, but I guess it improves his spirit. Nope, we're going to continue going. So let's see if we can give him all that. How about all that? How about all of that? How about all of that? Okay, so it's over 100 pounds. I don't know exactly how much it would be. I think we started about 216. So maybe about like 120 something or so. So yeah, that is how you give or enable Dogmeat to carry more things. So yeah, if you like this video, be sure to leave it a like. It helps smaller channels like mine. Be sure to subscribe if you like this content and want to see more like it. Turn on post notifications and shoot any comments down below and I'll get back to you. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you next time.